I do. Promise. It's yours if you touch me. Don't do it. I don't want your back end, kiddo.
Take it. Take it, because that's a creative solution.
Why don't you shove your back end in your finger and see if that's what I want? I want your neck. Yes, good. You have some chicken in your beard, kid.
Leave it there.
Good. It was a valiant effort, that one was. Good, yes! See you lean into that one?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Good, yes. What a good boy. Yeah. Can I get a little bit up more? I know, it's scary. I know. It's terrifying. Good, yes.
The finest little angle in these little dogs makes, a huge difference. You're like, wait a second. It wasn't at the same spot?
Good.
And he's like, no, that's a new spot, and I hate you for it.
Don't lick your foot. I don't care about your foot. I care about your face. Good nap time. It's nap time.
If you can pull him up, it'll be safer.
Yeah.
Because with this posture, he's got less ability to wiggle and do it his way. Even though this is his way, he's giving himself less options. So